not sure where he got it, but if there's a winning trade, we're sure he'll spot it. 15 years in the game, he knows the plan. A funded trader, Muhammad's the man. Muhammad's in control, managing the trade, focusing on price, that's how legends are made. Watching the action with a smile and a glance, when his time is right, he won't miss his chance.
Day types. In the technical part of the trading plan, you have to define how you will read the market and how you will trade the market, because there is two aspects in here: reading the market and trading the market. Sometimes you will find it difficult to read the market, which will make it by default difficult to trade the market. And sometimes you will find it easy to read the market. It's obvious, but it is difficult to trade the market, and it could be easy to trade the market. So now we need to read the market first. Before you go to a trade, before to buy or sell, you have to give a visual reading about the market. I define the market in 5 different types. Number 1, choppy days. Choppy days, one of the most difficult days to trade. So that doesn't mean I will not trade choppy days, especially in NASDAQ. Choppy days are more than the normal days. It happens more frequent. Hi Nick, hi. Thank you for joining me. So choppy days, it happens, so I need to know how to trade this difficult day. By wait for information. There is a lot of waiting that you have to pay attention to. Avoid trading inside the chop. So you have to define where is the chop area, so you don't trade within that area. Wait for a breakout and retest. Wait until one side have the control. So the choppy days, they are undirectional. When you look at it, it could be uptrend, it could be downtrend. Somebody see it up, somebody sees it down. So it's a chop. You will find a lot of traps, up and low, trapping the highs and the low of the previous day. Usually you look at the previous day, you see in the last swing a breakout, failed breakout. So we'll see an example. And you will find the smoothing 21 EMA flatten. The smoothing line is flat. The average is always, most of the time, flatten. No clear control. Example of this day is this one. We define the type of day at the opening bell, 9:30 Eastern time or 8:30 Central time. At 8:30 Central time, you have to define what type of day that you are dealing with. This is a chop day. Why? Look at the previous swing of the last day. This is the day started here, and that was the previous swing, high and low. High and low. If you see the market during before the opening, breaking out the high and breaking down the low, this is the chop area. This is the chop area. Don't trade. So you are not trading. Suppose that you are not taking trades this time. During this time, you don't take trades going inside this area. So you don't sell, and you know that you are in this, going into that range. And you don't buy knowing that you are going inside this range. Avoid being in a trade during that one. So either you buy at the top of that area, so you are outside the chop area, or you wait until a breakdown and you trade below as a sell. In this area, 50-50. You don't know what's gonna. It's a fist fight between buyers and seller. So this is one example of a chop day. How I know it's a chop day? You are looking at this. Is this an uptrend or a downtrend? You don't know if this is a pullback to go to high or if it is a continuation to go lower. How I define the area? Look at the last swing, last day. Last swing, not the full day, only last swing. This will define the area that you have to avoid trading. This is the chop area. Whenever the market is back to this area, it will just looking for stops. It will just look for stops. Okay, so this is the chop day, the choppy days. Then let's go to the range days. A lot of people are confused between range day and choppy days. No, they are different. Range day, you can see double top and double bottoms, at least double, maybe triple, maybe 4, maybe 5, maybe 6. But there is a clear area of highs, equal highs, and clear area of equal lows. That's a range. This is not chop. That is a range. And Dolby is here. He's better explain that. A range, and we're talking about the full day. So at 9:30, you can see here from previous day equal highs and equal lows. So that is your range going forward. That is your range. So what I am going to do with that range, sell the high, buy the low, look for rotation, avoid traps. So this is the range. I'm coming here, market is here. So the market should go to the low of the range, to the high of the range, to the low of the range, to the high of the range. Don't jump into a breakout. Range day is a range day. This is a rotation going from high to low. Don't believe this. It's not a breakout, because what? It is a range day. Yes, the market can go there, but if I want to trade this, I will trade the retest of that range. Breakout, I will trade this maybe, looking for a breakout. If it does not happen, exit. A rotation will continue down there, and it will continue to the extension of those ranges. Extension of those ranges. It's a full range day. It could be also a triangle. A triangle. Or Doritos or megaphone. Also these kind of ranges that happen. Okay? So this is a range day. Sell the highs, buy the low, trade the rotation, watch out the traps. Don't enter a trade until you see a trap. For example, in this one, if you go close to this example, we will go to live example as well. This one, if you are looking to buy a retest, for example, the market is breaking out clearly, higher high, obvious, the moving average are pointing higher. You want to buy, don't buy this, because there's no traps. This one you buy it, the last one. Why? A trap happened. Once a trap happened and jump, you buy here and you sell up to the high. So don't enter a trade until you see a trap if it is a range day, because this is the market behavior in a range day, doing traps. Next, one directional day. One directional day. Continuation. It's either a continuation from previous day or it might be reversal of previous day. So let's say yesterday was going up and then the market today started here and continue going higher until 8:30 Central Time. So this is one direction day, continuation of yesterday. The other one, if the market was going lower and they started until 8:30, it was a reversal, one direction, also one direction day. As a day, it is a direction, but it was a reversal of yesterday. So there's two situations you have to differentiate between them. If it is a continuation of previous day, trade pullback. If it is a reversal of previous day, watch for major trend line. If that trend line is broken, stay away of the new trend. What I mean, if it is continuation of yesterday was going higher, and you have today until 8:30, market continue going higher. Now, after 8:30, you look for a pullback to moving average and continue going higher. Look for continuation. This trend, don't believe it. This trend, it will be broken every time and continue. It was looking for liquidity only. In other words, or in other hand, if the market was going lower and we started the day, usually very strong, okay, and we started the day, the market reverse until 8:30, then this trend line is very important. If this one broken, that means we are continue the yesterday trend. Is that clear? Give me one if that's clear. I don't like to talk alone. This is why I like to have Dolby and Andre with me. It's like, it feels lonely when you speak alone here. So give me one, just ask question, even if it is not real question. Okay, so you're with me. So now, this is the one direction day. It happens frequently. This is two example. This one, you can see the market was going higher until 9:30. Now this is a pullback. Buy a pullback. Buy a pullback. Don't sell this market. Keep buying this market. And this one is another example. Okay, the market was going higher until 8:30. It was going lower, the different direction, the other direction. Now it is important to watch out the major trend line. If it is broken, market is reversed now. Market is reversed. If you take from today's session, lesson, this information, that will help you a lot. Entries is different story. We will have another session for entries. Entries requires a fresh mind, another thing. Yes, the streaming is in English. I will do another one in Arabic, no problem. Now we have the multi-direction day. One of the most difficult day to read. So, market started here until 9:30 here. What I see the market going higher and then going lower and then going higher. Do I have double bottom? No. This bottom, we have lower lows. As you can see here, we always have lower lows. Do we have a double top? No. We have higher high. There is no equal highs and equal lows. So this is not a range day. Is it a chop day? Could be if we look to the last swing. This area is a chop area. This area is a chop area. Don't trade in this area. It could be a chop area also. The chop area could be multi-direction day as well. So they could be the same. So no double top, no double bottom. Complete price action cycle in both direction. You have channel, break, leg 1, leg 2. Channel, break, leg 1, leg 2. Channel, break, leg 1. Both direction. So, and few ranges. Few ranges. Only few quick ranges. It's not too much ranges. Not one place to have the range. Only few ranges. This is multi-direction day. How I trade this day? Trade with the recent controller of the price action. Whenever buyers took control, trade with them. Whenever sellers take control, trade with them. Buyers take control, trade with them. Sellers take control, trade with them. Watch out the controller of the market. This is multi-direction day. Consolidate direction. What is the range day? The chop fest. Normally I get chopped pretty well in this days. Yeah, we all do. We all do. This is another example of multi-direction day as well. Market started here. 8:30 is here. We can see clearly the market goes higher. Full direction up, full direction down. Even the correction, full direction up, full direction down. So I see the market doesn't have double top, double bottom, no equal highs, no equal lows. See the lows here and the lows is here, the lows is here, the lows here, the lows, different lows, no equal highs, no equal highs. So this is multi-direction day. So trade with it after 8:30. Buyers has control, buy with them, buy with them, buy with them. Seller have control, sell with them, sell with them. Buy have control, buy with them. Watch out who have control in multi-direction day. And then the last type of day which I love. This is my favorite type of day. The reversal days. Reversal days. What that means? That means the day started in a type but end up different. So this one, it was a range, was a range, was a range. Before the open, market tumbled down. This day when I say, don't cry to me if you buy the market. Just look for a sell, look for a sell, look for a sell. Even if buyers has control, don't believe them. They are wooden buyers. You hear me a lot saying wooden buyer, wooden buyers. Why? Because it is a reversal down day. It was a range somehow. It was high. It could be like this. Market could be going higher and then it goes tumble lower and then 8:30 started. Now what do you have? Market was going high and they tumbled down. Don't buy this day, don't. Because buyers has been trapped up there. Wishing the market going higher. Don't wish with them. Trade against them. So to review, we have 5 types of day. Choppy days, no direction clear. You have a lot of traps. Moving average is smooth. No clear control. What to do? How I trade it? Wait for information. Waiting, you have to wait a lot. Maybe you don't trade. Maybe you find yourself, you didn't trade this day. Avoid trading inside the chop. Wait for a breakout and retest outside the chop area. Wait until one side has control. So clearly you need to define where is the chop area. Range days, you see clear double top or double bottom, or you see triangle, or you see wedge or megaphone, Doritos. What to do here? Sell the high, buy the lows. Trade the rotation of that ranges or the extension of that raise. Watch out of traps. The market will do some traps. Enter a trade after a trap. One directional day. Only one direction. If it is continuation of previous day, trade the pullback. If it is a reversal of previous day, watch for the major trend line. Also, trade the pullback. However, watch out if the major trend lines is broken. Multi-directional day. No double top, no double bottom. Complete price action, both direction, and there is a few ranges. How to trade it? Trade with the recent controller in the price action. Who has control? Trade with him. Reversal day. Day started as a range and strong breakout. They started trading down, then strong reverse up, or the other way. They starting trading up, then strongly reverse down. So if the market was a range and strong, trade the breakout direction only. If the day started trending down and then go up, only buy until the reversal invalidated. They started trading up and go down, only sell until reversal invalidated. Okay? And then you have to define the price action cycle. Find active price action cycle. What is the current active price action cycle? Micro, minor, major, and this we'll talk about later on before we talk about entry setup. So those both require another session that we will do live soon. Before trade, answer this question. Who has control now? Buyers or sellers or nobody? They are fighting. They're still not clear. And then, did they confirm the control or not yet? And then, where is the target for those controller of the market? So you say buyers has control. Okay, where are they going? Because if you have control, you have some place to go to. You have to define that target. So let's quickly, I think we need another 15 minutes to go through the day types. Let's start with today. Let's start with today and tell me what kind of day that we have. The day started here. That was the high and that was the low of the last swing. This is the last swing. That was the high and that was the low. Is this a chop day? And where is 9:30? Actually, 9:30 is now. 9:30 is now. Is this a chop day? Yes or no? Yes, give me one. No, give me two. Is this a chop day? No, come on. Chop day only if the market goes higher and then goes lower, then this is the chop area. So this is not a choppy day. Yeah, that doesn't mean the market will not do some choppy places, but it is not a choppy day. It is not a chop day. No, it is not. Chop day only if you look at the previous swing, high and low. If the market taps higher and then taps lower, then it is a choppy day and this is the chop area. Yes. So it is not a choppy day. Okay? Okay. Is it a range day? Do you see equal highs and equal lows? This is the high and this is the low. I don't. No, it is not a range. Where is the equal high? No equal highs. This high, this high, this high. Yeah, we have here a range, but this is an internal range. This is an internal range. It's not a full day range. So it is not a range day. Is it a one directional day? Is it one directional day? Yeah, it is a hard example. Yeah, I'm glad it is a hard example. Yeah, but you will find it easy. After I tell you what kind of day, you will say, oh yeah, yeah, man. What did the market since the open do? Or did? What did the market do since the high? It is putting high, low, high, low, high, what? Low. So this is one direction day. Till now, not reaching the low. You say multi-direction day. Let's see now. Is it a do you see any direction up? We all see the direction down, correct? Anybody is not seeing the direction down? Is there anyone don't see the direction down? Or do you see it all? We all agree there is a direction down happened. But is there a direction up? This one, not complete. Only channel. This one, nah, not complete. Only channel. This one, yeah, we have channel, break, leg 1 and leg 2. So, what is the definition of the full direction? I don't call this as the direction. This is just a pullback. This one was only a pullback, strong one, but still pullback. This one is not a pullback. Why? Because we have pullback and continuation. However, why I don't call it multi-direction day? Because in the original major one, high, low, high, low, high. This is not a low. It has to be a new low. This is a low. Okay? The high of this low didn't break the latest high. It didn't. Should this break this high, I will call it multi-direction day. You cannot assume, Andre, higher high could happen. You can, but it's wrong, in my opinion. The major trend now, high, low, high, low. Now we have a full range. We have, a full trend. A full trend, high, low. Correct? In order for this to be invalidated, this high has to be broken. So we can say we have an uptrend. Otherwise, this is all a pullback of this high. And because today is only half day, that was expected to happen, by the way. So I don't see this yet multi-direction day. Once if the market goes higher than this, then we will say, okay, we were in one directional day, but now we are multi-direction day. So day types can change. It doesn't mean that the day will stay as it is until the end of session. No. But I want to define the day since the start until 9:30, and I will trade based on that type of day and making sure that this is not changed. Once it's changed, then I will change how I will trade that day. So this is one direction day for me. Only down. That doesn't mean you don't buy it. No. One direction day. We have two scenarios here, correct? Where is the one direction day? This is the one. This is where this sheet comes in handy. One direction day. Now you have to ask yourself, is it a continuation of previous day or a reversal of previous day? Oh, so we have to go to previous day and see. That move, we say it is one direction day, down. Is this one continuation of this or reversal of this? Yalla, come on. What do you see? Is this a continuation? Give me 1. Is it a reversal? Give me 2. Yes, this is a reversal, correct. Because the day was high, was going high. I mean, if you look for the full day, the full day was what? The full day of yesterday, it was a range. But we look for the recent move. The recent move was going higher. And this is a reversal of yesterday move. So if it is a reversal of yesterday, so what we should make sure that the major trend line is not broken. Okay, so we say this is one direction day, correct? This is one direction day, fine. So I will sell and make sure the major trend line is not. Where is the major trend line? This is the major trend line. If this one is broken, that means, again, and the recent high is here, so it's all coming together. If we break this, that means we have multi-direction day. Okay? Different strategy, different school of technical analysis will read this differently. Some of you will say AB equals CD, some they will say Wyckoff, some will be ICT. At the end of the day, the picture should be the same. So that was the high, that was the trend line. If this area is broken, that means we are not in an one direction day. It will be a multi-direction day. Let's go. Should you always wait for a retest in case of trend broken? No, it doesn't. Yeah, it give more confirmation. Let's say if you want to buy this, you say, okay, I will wait for this. I have this high, I have this trend line. Okay, so now if I want to buy this, either I wait for this one to be broken and retested, but you still need for this one to be breaking out as well. Or retest of this one, maybe retest of this one as well. So maybe you can buy the pullback with tight stop loss or wait for a retest based on your risk appetite. If trend is not broken, why is it reversal day? Because the direction that we define you with us that we have a one direction day down, correct? You are with me in this one. Until now, because this high is not broken. So it is a down day. Down day doesn't mean we don't buy it. Be careful. It's not a reversal day. I'm not saying it is a reversal day. It is what I see. I see the market is going down. Correct? Is it what we see? I'm not saying it will go down. I'm saying it is going down since we started the day. So it is down. Okay, good. Is this down move reversal of yesterday recent move or a continuation? It is a reversal. Market was going up yesterday and now we are going down. So it is a reversal of yesterday move. It is not a reversal day. Yes. Let's go to another day. I will just go randomly. Let's go to the gold. Let's go to gold and define what gold day type today. This is gold. What do you see? The day started here. What the market did, up and down. So we have double bottom in here. We have double bottom here and double top here. Do you see that? I know the market was going higher, but I don't care about yesterday. Just focus on today. For now. For now, just focus on today to define what type of day. Is it a choppy day? No. That was the low. That was the high. The market never broking the low. So it's not a choppy day. Good. Is it a range day? Market started here. They make highs. They make similar low. So it is a range day. And now the market is here at the top of this range. So this was a range day. You can say as well, it is a one direction up day because we have high, low, high, low, high, low. If you start from yesterday, low, high, low, couple of highs here. It could be one direction day. If it is one direction day, and don't be rigid. It could be a range day and one direction day. Fine. It's just a definition to help you read the market. Now, if it is one direction day, is it a continuation of yesterday move? That was yesterday. Yesterday, the full day, started here, ended here. So it was an up day for the gold. Up day. So it is a continuation of yesterday. So you don't care if the trend line is broken. You don't care if the trend line is broken. Fine. They could break it and then go higher. Okay? But I care if it is a reversal of yesterday move. Like gold is let me go to in Q. We'll find a lot of example. Let's see what happened yesterday in Q. So now until 9:30. This is 9:30. Until here is 9:30. And the day started here. Okay. What type of day is day? Is yesterday? Is it a choppy day? Where is the previous swing? That was the previous swing. From here to there. What happened? The market tapped higher and then tapped lower. All of this is choppy. Do you see that? So you avoid trading all this area. You can trade outside, either breakout or going back to that area. No problem. You can sell, you can buy. Here you can sell, you can buy based on who has control. But in here, you will be chopped out. You will be killed. So you already know, even before 9:30, not to trade here. That information will save you a lot. No, it's not a range. Yeah, I see what you see. I see double top. Not triangle. Could be a triangle. But the most important thing was this one and this one. Sorry, not this one, this one. So what happens later on? So let me define the range. So let's see from this high and this low. Let's see what happens. So now 9:30 started. We are in the chop area. You do nothing. You just watch the market playing up and down. Do nothing. Just do nothing. Now the market is breaking out this area. Soon, inshallah, ya man. Soon we will have an Arabic broadcast. Okay? Now, see? We're back. Don't trade. Either you buy breakout, there is no signal. Now entry setups comes in handy. There is no entry setups happen here. Even if happen, your stop loss is here. You want, as long as the market in this area, you don't want to be in a position. You don't want to be in a position. Now the market goes lower. Back again. So yesterday, to be honest, there is no setup. You shouldn't be trading. According to this time frame at least. No wonder a lot of people loses. Maybe buying this. No, come on. Yeah, I got something to do here. This one. Market goes, buyers has control. This is the buy. Going inside, no problem. So you take your profit as soon as you are inside here. Maybe you trail your stop, maybe you exit. So maybe that was the only, I'm not saying we are buying here. I don't know if the market stopped here or not. Do we have anything? No, nothing. We just have a trap. Market went higher. That was the area to buy. That's it. Maybe also here, but the market didn't touch the moving average. Let's go to another example. Now, what type of day you have? That is 9:30 here. We don't know what is happening later. And this is the opening. Come on. Talk to me. Yeah. What type of day that we have? Is it a choppy day? Let's see, where is the last swing high? That was high and that was low. No, not really. Yeah, the market just go a little bit higher here and little bit lower here. That doesn't considered as a chop. Yeah, that is so far a range day. Okay, so you draw the range from the highs. You can see double tops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That was the tops. The lows was here. That was the range. Maybe here. These lows, these highs, that was your range. The market started as a range, then what happened later? Wait a minute. It's not a range day. It's a, yeah, range to breakout. That is what? Reversal day. That I call a reversal day. It started like something, and now at 9:30 we are way far from that situation. Different. Market is going crazy. So that a reversal down day. Now you say, I will never buy this market until we get back into the original low. Because the breakout, where it happens here. Actually, that was a low, that was support. These are support. Where is the strongest support before that breakout? This area. So I'm not buying the market until we get back up there. Otherwise, I will only look for a sell. Only look for a sell. Only look for a sell. Is that clear? This is why I say this is one of the most easy day to read. If the market traps traders here, they think it's a range day. They keep buying, fading. Until when? Until they broke. Don't do that. Whenever the market did something in the morning and totally different scenario happening after 9:30, just follow the recent breakout. Sell. Look for a sell area. Where to sell? Don't cry to me buying this kind of market. Let's do more. As much as you do more, as you be perfect in this market. Let's see this one. Okay, where is 9:30? I will stop at 9:30. Yeah. What type of day is this one? What type of day is this one? Started here. That was Monday, I believe. Of course, we always trade the trend. Always. Don't go against the trend unless there is no trend. You get my point? Yeah, one direction could be a good answer. One direction day, higher highs. But just pay attention. Do we have any sort of range? We have double top. No, only one top. So this is a one direction day. Okay, one direction. Is it a reversal of yesterday or continuation of yesterday? Tell me. One direction day. Agreed. I agree with you. Correct. Yes. Continuation of yesterday. So we just stop here. We are continue what we started yesterday. So that means keep buying the market. Keep buying the market. That was 9:30 here almost. So that means, so that was, and also we don't look for a trend because continuation, fine. After a break, we should expect a breakout. What happened, that was one of the difficult days that I had. Yeah, I read it as a direction day. And what happened, that was after 9:30. After 9:30, the market tumbled down and keep going down all the day. So how I trade this day, I wait for a pullback. Okay, where is the pullback? Where is the pullback? That was a pullback. I buy it. Fine. I make money in here. and then sellers had control. So there is no pullback. I buy. Maybe I will not sell. Maybe I will not sell, but definitely I will not buy. I buy only if buyers has control, and as you can see, they never had control until the last time. I mean, here. I only buy here. So I didn't buy all the way down. Okay, Alex. Thank you for coming. Thank you everyone for attending and sharing. Should we go with more examples? Or you feel tired? I'm fine. I can go with 10 more minutes. Okay, this one is difficult. This one is difficult. Yalla, last one. Last example. Yeah, let's do more. Okay. So, what do you see here? Is it a choppy day? Or a range day? Range, I don't see a range. The market started here. That was the low. Higher high, higher high, higher high. And then lower low, lower low, lower low. Yes. Is it a choppy day or not? Where is the last swing? That was the last swing. Correct? That was the last swing. So that was the high and that was the low. What did the market did? Before 8:30. That was the high. That was the low. So the market went higher decently. It's not a trap. Nobody can call this a trap. And also went lower and stayed lower. Also, this is not an easy trap. So this could be a choppy day. Defining this range or this area as a chop area. This is a chop area. Avoid trading inside this area. Also, we can say, as long, because we have a full move up, full wave, and full wave down. Also, we can call this what? Multi-direction day. We have a direction up and we have a direction down. Also, do we have a double? We have double bottom. Yeah, clearly. I cannot see it easy to say double tops. It's difficult. We have a range from yesterday, but from today, I don't have a range. So this is a multi-direction day. That means whoever have control, trade with them. Okay, this is 9:30 started. Who has control? Buyers or sellers? It's 9:30. Who has control? Sellers. Intersection is here. Sellers has control. Look for a sell. Now, buyers has control. Not full control. This control is not full because the smoothing line still inside. So they didn't confirm the control. They had it for a while, but they didn't confirm it. Keep selling. Now stop selling. Stop selling. Stop. Now look for a buy. Why? They confirm it now. They have control. Now they confirm it. The smoothing line is outside the Bollinger. Jerome has control. now you look for a buy. Now sellers has control. Look for a sell. So it is multi-direction day. Very difficult to trade. You have to go see where is the channel, break, leg 1, leg 2, and then the bigger range, the bigger channel, leg 1, leg 2. You have to follow up with the price action in this scenario. Okay? Let's do one more. Where is 9:30? Let's go with this one. This is 9:30. What do you see? What do you see? Market started here. What do you see? I mean, even blind people will can tell me. It's just one direction day. Is it a continuation of yesterday or reversal? Come on. This one is a reversal of yesterday move. Actually, no, sorry. It is a continuation of yesterday move. Yesterday was down, and this is a continuation. So we are continue yesterday move one direction day. So look for a sell. Look for a sell. Short the market. Until buyers has control, then you might buy the way up. But make sure when you buy, because it's going down, continuation from yesterday, you should sell. Even if the major trend line is broken, keep selling. If buyers has control, you want to buy, watch out the major trend line. This one. You can enjoy buying. Once you see this trend line is broken, stop buying. Stop buying. That's it. That's it. Be careful. It's a trend down. This major trend line is broken. Why you keep buying? If this one is broken, fine, no problem. I can sell here because the day is down. But if I am counter trending the day and the broken and trend line is broken, be careful. Be careful. I see a lot of people are always, whenever the trend line is broken, oh, exit, the trend line is broken. No. If you are counter trend the full move, then yes, be careful of the broken trend line. However, if it is a continuation, fine, the trend line will be broken to trap some liquidity.
He's such a cool dude, handsome, charming, and never too rude. Loved by many, but keep it cool. Don't come crying and be a fool. With that white headset, not sure where you got it, but if there's a winning trade, we're sure he'll spot it. 15 years in the game, he knows the plan. A funded trader, Muhammad's a man. Muhammad's in control, managing the trade, focusing on price, that's how legends are made. Watching the action with a smile and a glance. When it's time to strike, you won't miss his chance. Price action's the key, he moves with finesse. 15 years in, he's seen the success. In the market, he's sharp, knows how to adapt. Every trade he makes is like a movie script map. He's not just about the charts, it's a masterful flow. Trade management's his focus, that's how you grow. When the pressure's on, he stays steady and true. No crying, no worries, no soup for you. If you say so. If you may know. Managing the trade, focusing on price, that's how legends are made. Watching the action with a smile and a glance. When it's time to strike, he won't miss his chance. Muhammad's in control, managing the trade, focusing on price, that's how legends are made. Watching the action with a smile and a glance. When it's time to strike, he won't miss his chance. Muhammad's in control, managing the trade, focusing on price, that's how legends are made. Watching the action with a smile and a glance. When it's time to